Hello there, welcome to our channel Logging Apps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial today, and today I'll be showing you how to add email on your Roblox account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now, to add an email on your Roblox account, let's first go to the Roblox website. To do that, first open up your preferred browser. As I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar, click over there and type in roblox.com and hit enter. And after that, you can see I have already logged into my Roblox account. You will also be required to log into your account because I have already saved my details of the Roblox, like my username and on my password on the computer. The website directly logged me into my account. You can see this is my account over here. And after logging into your account like this, this is the home page. You can see the settings icon on the top right corner of your screen. Click on settings, and there is the settings option. Again, click on settings, and on this page you can see there is under the category account info, there is the add email address available over here. On the right side of the screen there is the add email button. Click on add email and add your email over here like this, and click on add email. After that, a verification will be sent to your Gmail or the email you just added on your Roblox, and let's confirm it. Let's go to gmail.com to confirm the link. You can see the link message by or the email by Roblox over here, which says the verify email. Let's click on verify email. And there, guys, we have successfully verified our Roblox account or successfully added our email address on our Roblox account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.